Assalamu Alaikum. Hello everybody. Today I will make a delicious traditional salad. And this salad is so healthy. And for the complete list of the greens, just check the description down below. And now our crouton bread is already ready. We bake it for 8 minutes. See, it's so crunchy. Now I am going to make ready the JARGER. Have to cut it. This is traditional. This traditional salad of Arab. Always you can see this one in like gathering and also in the party. And this is also very delicious and healthy, and everyone love it. And for my salad, I add little amount of mint and also little amount of parsley. For the complete this one measurement of the ingredients, just check the description below. I'm having fun doing this salad, and now I'm cutting the capsicum. I'm not putting too much, just a little to make it more colorful and also delicious. Now I am adding my small amount of red chopped onion, and also now I'm going to cut this KASH, or they are calling it Roman lettuce. And for those still not subscribed to my channel, just click the button and ring the bell. And now I will chop my spring onion, and together with my cherry tomato. So healthy and delicious. And our cucumber. Just having fun doing this, doing something food in the kitchen is really amazing. I'm exploring myself actually. And now I will add my pomegranate, ROMAINE, and I'm also doing grated small amount of garlic. And now I'm making the sauce or dressing to make our salad more delicious and tasty. This is one thing that making our salad more delicious is by making our dressing and having fun in the kitchen. I love what I'm doing. So I want my food or salad to be this one. The outcome should be, delicious, because I'm having fun. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Now we're sprinkling this one. I sprinkle my crouton bread. Now I'm going to add the dressing. This is so delicious. Now our salad is ready. So yeah.